Welcome to AppStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Gmail account. Maybe you have more than one Gmail accounts and now you want to organize your email accounts for better control. So to do that, from web browser, go to gmail.com, log into the account that you want to delete. Then, from the top right, click your profile photo. Select Manage your Google account. From the left side, select Data and Privacy. Scroll down and select Delete your Google account. And this page says, please read this carefully. It's not the usual blah blah. And they mean it. All this content will be deleted. The Gmail account, the YouTube account, associated YouTube channels that you might have, content from your calendar, contacts, and Google Play apps and digital content. Everything will be deleted on this account, Gmail and Google. So once you are sure to do it, select these two checkboxes and press Delete Account button. It will delete your Google account and all associated apps under that account, including Gmail, YouTube channels, and everything will be gone. So make sure you're 100% sure about what you're doing. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.